Hello everyone, today we are back with a hands-on tutorial. Keep PC awake. It's the best solution on the market to stay connected when that we are teleworking without needing in front of their computer. So for everyone working remotely, who wants to stay connected. So in the employer, we check that they and the loans are connected. You can use Keep PC Awake to stay connected, so your sender can't detect that you are not active in front of your PC. You can enjoy time with your loved ones, your family, your spouse. So without further ado, let's get started. To start with, you need to download the Excel file. So by clicking here, let's download the file. The download is done. Next, we'll go to registration. Once registered, enter the email address you want to use. I'll put it in 7.5 so. Enter your email address, choose a password and register. So you sign up, this message appears confirming that your account has been created. So let's move on to the next step. Here you need to log in. I'm going to click here and log in to Abasnail. Enter your password and then you can log in. So once you're connected, you'll land on the P2 page. So you have 3 points, 3 possible subscriptions. The first one is 19 euros and 99 cents. This one allows you to use the file, keeping your PC active without any interruptions. Good 3 plans offer the same service, but when you present the second one, you get a 50% discount. It's an annual payment that costs you 10 euros per month. For this last plan, it costs you 8 euros per month and it's valid for 2 years. For a 2-year payment plan, it comes to you at 8 euros per month, so it's this package. This is the most interesting for people who work, so I highly encourage you to choose this one. For the purpose of this video, we're going to choose the first plan. So let's click on Get Started. And here we need to enter our payment information. We'll put in an email address. In 7 weeks, we'll enter the credit card details. We'll see how it goes. We enter all the numbers from our marker card. All right, so that's good. All right, my final numbers. He'll enter his name and pay to subscribe. Also, you can add a promotional code here, of course. So confirm on the payment form. You have the promotional code in the description. Gives you a 10% discount on your subscription. Don't hesitate to use it at that moment. So you can see this message. It's done. So let's move to the second phase, which will be about the file, and we'll see how to use it. So once the file is downloaded, we can use it. You can leave it in your downloads folder or put it on your desktop. Since it's for work, it's probably easier to keep it in downloads. For the tutorial, I'll put it on the desktop so we can see what needs to be done. It'll be much simpler. So I'm going to close my downloads folder because I don't need it anymore. Once you're ready to use the file, right click on it. It doesn't matter where the file is located. You absolutely have to do this to be able to use it. Go to properties, unlock it, apply, and click OK. Once that's done, and you can click on the file to open it. So you need to wait a bit for it to start. So here we are with the file. There is a super important detail. If you move your file aside from the documented loading, this message will appear. You click on cancel, and for it to stop appearing, you need to disable the autosave. So as soon as you do that, it will reappear one last time. Then you click on cancel and it will never show up again. So here you will have to enter your email address. We will go back to the human base, and then we will enter the password. There you go. As soon as the password is set, we can activate it now. So click on the activate button, and once it turns green, it means it's activated. Here you can set the time you want to activate it. For the program to stop automatically, simply change the numbers here for the hours, minutes, and seconds before activating it. If you set it from 8 p.m. to 8 p.m., it will deactivate. So here is the active file. Whether we are in front of the PC or not, we'll stay connected as if we were using it, so your employer won't be able to tell if you are actually working or if you're not. Once you're done and want to use the PC again and deactivate, you have two options. Either press Ctrl-Alt-Delete or hold down the escape button. So let's press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. It loads a bit, then it will open and we will go into the task manager. And here we can close the Excel file once we no longer need it and stop using it. The PC is a bit slow, but we'll be able to find it again. Yeah. So here we have Microsoft Excel. We'll right click and end the task. And then once you have done that, it will stop. And you can continue using your computer as usual. So that was the tutorial for Keep PC Awake, the only solution, the best solution on the market to stay connected while telecommuting without needing to stay in front of your computer. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and enjoy your remote work.